Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Toyota Vios J, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 44,000 kilometers mileage with service records, all power, all stock, all original, first and lady owner, fresh condition, flawless body paint, perfect interiors, excellent smooth engine, perfect transmission, solid suspension, drives perfect, gas and go, free exterior, interior at engine detailing, free back to zero antimicrobial aircon, free pneumatic, free car sunshade, cash price, 428,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 75,900 pesos. (2017 model Ford Everest Titanium Plus, 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 51,000 kilometers mileage, panoramic sunroof, factory genuine leather seats, power seats, infotainment system, backup sensor, reverse backup camera, steering controls, 20-inch factory mag wheels, all stock, all original, complete with owner's manual booklet, first owner, fresh condition, flawless body paint, perfect interiors, excellent smooth engine, perfect transmission, drives perfect, diesel and go, free exterior, interior at engine detailing, free back to zero antimicrobial aircon, free pneumatic, free car sunshade, cash price, 888,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 267,000 pesos. (2013 model Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLX, 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 65,000 kilometers mileage, touchscreen display, all power, all stock, all original, lady owner, flawless condition, flawless body paint, perfect interiors, excellent smooth engine, drives perfect, nothing to fix and ready for your longest drive, diesel and go, free exterior, interior at engine detailing, free back to zero antimicrobial aircon, free pneumatic, free car sunshade, cash price, 608,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 177,650 pesos. (2018 model Hyundai Accent GL, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 41,000 kilometers mileage, all stock, all original like new, complete owner's manual and service booklet, first and lady owner, still fresh at pristine condition, excellent body, free exterior, interior at engine detailing, free back to zero antimicrobial aircon, free pneumatic, free car sunshade, cash price, 378,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing all-in down payment, 110,400 pesos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.